Hi guys, it's Red. Today we are going to create a very basic version of Tic-Tac-Toe using almost everything we learned till now. Let's create the file, lesson 10 hyphen tic hyphen tac hyphen toe.py. First we have to create the board. Board equals quotation mark, quotation mark, quotation mark, new line, space 1 space hash, space 2 space hash, space 3 space, new line, all hash, new line, space 4 space, hash space 5 space hash, space 6, new line, again all hash, new line, space 7 space, hash, space 8 space, hash, space 9 space. This is the board. Now let's create the players. Player underscore x equals empty list. Player underscore o equals empty list. Now let's create the interaction between the players and the board. For I in range parenthesis 9 colon print parenthesis board if I module 2 equals 0 colon player x dot append parenthesis input parenthesis select a number colon space a new line board equals board dot replace parenthesis player x square bracket -1 the last element comma quotation mark x, else the second player. So let's copy and paste and replace any x with an O. One, two, and 3. Let's try. One, it works. 2, and it works. Ctrl C to interrupt. Now let's create the winning combinations. Winning underscore combinations equals square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 close comma square brackets 4 comma 5 comma 6 close comma square brackets 7 comma 8 comma 9 close comma square brackets 1 comma 4 comma 7 close comma square brackets 2 comma 5 comma 8 close comma square brackets 3 comma 6 comma 9 close comma square brackets 1 comma 5 comma 9 close comma square brackets 3 comma 5 comma 7. Now For combination in winning underscore combinations, colon, for j in range, parenthesis 3, colon, if str function combination square bracket j in player x, colon, we need to count equals 0, count plus equal 1. That's the same as count equals count plus 1. If count equals 3, colon, the player has won, but we need a boolean to change when the player won. So player underscore x underscore 1 equals false. Player underscore o underscore 1 equals false. So if count equals 3, player underscore x underscore 1 equals true. Let's print parentheses, quotation marks, player x 1. Break. If player underscore x underscore 1 colon break, so the game ends. Let's try. One, 4, 2, 5, 3. Player x1. Perfect. Now let's make it nicer. From OS import system. System, parenthesis, quotation mark, CLS, pipe, clear. Let's copy. And paste here. Print, parenthesis, board. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay. Let's copy everything and replace the X with the O everywhere. Copy, paste. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's try. One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, player 0, 1. Perfect. And now let's handle the draw scenario, which occurs when the main loop finishes without either player winning. Else system parenthesis quotation mark CLS pipe clear. Print parenthesis board print it's a draw. Let's try again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7. Player X1, let's make a draw. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 9. Perfect, it's a draw. Let's make the player O win. 1, 7, 2, 8, 4, 3, 5, 9. Player 01. That's it for today. Let's make a title for this program. Lesson 10 hyphen tic hyphen tac hyphen toe. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.